8 divided by 7 over 4 times 4. The answer is not 4. If you cancel this and cancel this, we'll be left with 28 divided by 7, which is equals to 4. But this answer is not correct. You have to follow BODMAS rule. B stand for brackets, O stand for or, D for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. So the first priority is bracket, but there's no bracket here. We only have division and multiplication, and so the first priority will be division. So we start with division, and in division, remember that we are going to keep the constants. We use this rule. We keep the constant, which is 28. We change the sign to multiplication, while the fraction will be reversed to 4 over 7. Now in this case, we're going to cancel 7, 1, into 28, 4. So we'll be left with 4 times 4 times 4. So we have 16 times 4, which is equals to 64 as the correct answer, and not 4.